kwa siku kati ya tarehe 2 na tarehe 8 mwezi wa 8 mwaka wa 2022 mkishirikiana na wengine ambao hawako mbele ya koti upande wa Uruku location Imenti South Sub County mkishirikiana mlimuua Gideon Muchugu.
Because of that need to assess their mental fitness to plead, we'll take their plea to Thursday. What is the date on Thursday? We already have secured counsel, so the DPP, the Deputy Registrar, will not need to appoint one for you. But we need a confirmation that you are fit to proceed with the matter. We can consider the issue of their release on bail on Thursday when we come back. Yeah? So accused has been informed of the charge without requiring them to plead. Accused to be assessed for mental fitness to stand trial, and plea is deferred to Thursday. Court case, that's the 8th?
Yes.
To 8th of February. And on that date we shall consider the issue of release on bail. Bail to be considered. Okay, we will have you held at GK Prison Meru until the 8th of February.